Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a boho knotless tutorial. If it come right, you win. If it come out right, it's getting posted. If it don't, y'all just gonna see trial and error. But yeah, I'm getting ready to start. Hopefully it come out the way I want it. But before I start, I'm finna show y'all everything y'all need. First, you need some scissors, and I'm doing boho with the human hair. Okay, anyways, you need some shears and gel, locking gel, pintail comb. Well, a comb that you prefer, a comb of your preference, because I can only use these. One bundle. Well, as y'all can see, I took it out of the pack, but I have one bundle from Empire. It's an 18-inch deep wave. Honestly, it's my first time doing it, so I didn't know what to get, but 18-inch deep wave, it'll probably be way better when it's wet. But yeah, y'all see the curls, the human hair, little bouncy. Still weird. Braiding hair. Me, I always get expression. This is a 42-inch. Y'all, it's only like $5 a pack or something like that. I have 5 packs of these. That's annoying. I have 5 packs of these. Hopefully it's enough. I'm trying not to do them that big, but I'm trying not to do them that small either. I think I want medium or medium. I never know until I start. I also have this braiding rack that my friend Justice gave me, and I always use it when I do my hair now. And it's just so much better. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get into the video. Okay, y'all. I'm starting by putting my hair on the rack. I'm splitting it into like small, medium pieces. You want to try to make sure they all kind of the same size. If not, just a little smaller. You don't want them too big, but you also don't want them too small. It's kind of hard to make them the same size, but you get it. You just try to keep it in the middle. I am gonna slow this video down a couple of times throughout so y'all can actually see the braiding. So just keep watching. Stay tuned. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it. So I ain't got no time. Wait up and down and out for too long. And I ain't got too many options. Move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Okay, y'all, so we're about to start the parts and the braiding. Your parts are not gonna always be perfect, but if you have 2 mirrors, they'll be straight enough. So the best way I can describe braiding and adding in the hair is using your index finger and thumb on both your right and your left hand. So you're gonna take 3 pieces and separate them, and you're gonna pass that middle piece through to your left index finger and thumb. And then you're gonna keep passing it to each other to braid it down. So with adding the hair, you're gonna do the same thing. Put it between your index finger and thumb, cross over, pass it to the other index finger and thumb, and you're just gonna keep doing that and braiding down. And to keep your grip, you can see at the top, I hold it with my ring finger. I hold the braid with my ring finger to keep it down and tight. And you're just going to keep adding pieces. And don't let the pieces get bigger. Keep them the same size. So when you're braiding down, you want to make sure you're untangling it from the bottom every once in a while. Because if you don't, it's going to get tangled up at the bottom. And you're going to have to take that whole braid out and start over, and nobody wants to do that. So make sure y'all keep that in mind. Now adding the curly piece, it's the same way, except you're gonna leave a little bit out and braid it down maybe like 2 or 3 times to actually lock it in, and then you're gonna pull that curly piece out and clip it to the braid so you can have room to actually keep braiding down and you won't get that curly piece stuck in the braid. With the curly pieces, you can add as many as you would like. I didn't want too many, but I didn't want too little either, so I just put just enough. Right here, you'll start to see me pull it around and start braiding in the front. Once you braid it down enough in the back, you can pull it around to the front and continue to braid it down, just so you won't be hurting your back. This is a closer look at me adding that curly piece in so y'all can actually see. I'm about to show y'all a closer look at this braiding. I really hope that y'all trusted the process and enjoyed this video, because I like helping the girlies learn how to do their own hair, because hair costs too much these days. So why not learn yourself? Alright, y'all, well, I'm done. Yeah, finally. And it actually came out cute. I feel like I could have added more here, but it's okay. I still have to dip it and stuff. And I didn't my edges yet, so it's not at its full potential. But I did my Boho Knotless. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, y'all. More hair videos. I'm just now realizing rain is coming. This is the bag. Here we go. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.